Hi everybody, welcome to my first video. I wanted to I am a Stamping Up independent demonstrator. Please check out my website, my blog at nishascrafts.com. If you would like to shop with me today, please use the host code for this month, which is right here. And you can access my shop using that link up right there at the top. Okay, so have you ever, I wanted to show you February's paper pumpkin. I just received it today, so I wanted to open it up with you all, and let's see. So normally it's in a covered package, so I took that off, and what you get is a stamp. Then you get a description of next month's paper pumpkin. Put that to the side right there. You get a mini stamping block, and this one is Mossy Meadow. And then you get this very nice, neat paper tissue. And take this out. And there's a lovely paper pumpkin box. Put that to the side. And you get this cute little package. And so it looks like we will be making 3 designs, and they give you some great ideas right here. So let's open it up. Let's see what else we got for this one. Okay, if you subscribe to Paper Pumpkin box, you will, for the first time subscribers, you will get this clear block, so you can use it for the stamps that you get, and they are always great that they fit on to there. Okay, so it looks like we've got some mossy green twine and some embellishment sequins, black sequins. You always get some dimensionals. You also get some envelopes. So you have the yellow, the mossy green, and the pink there. Let's just stick that right here. And then you get some of these. Oh, these are kind of like, I think they're like laser cut. Yeah, laser cut sentiments. Get some gold doilies, which are also laser cut too. There's 3 of those. You get some card of the green, pink, and red. So that's kind of cool. Put that here. And then you get your sentiment, where you stamp your sentiments on here. You get some glue dots. Put that over there. You get just a cardboard piece. You can put that to the side, and then you get the instructions of how to put it together. As you can see, it's just picture instructions, so it's very easy to use. You don't have to use the instructions. You can use and mix match anything that you want and add to whatever you want. It has it in English, French, German and Japanese. And there is a ruler right here at the bottom. I don't think you can see that. Okay, that you can just use to measure out your twine or ribbon. It gives you the pictures of what you could do, and then it gives you some more ideas too on the back. Again, you can make up your own designs. Then they give you all the things that you just pop out, you know, to use in on your card. So this is a flower, and this is the leaf cut. And just pop that out. And this one here. And this is very pretty. And then you can just discard this. Then you've got some vellum here, and the vellum is lovely with this gold leaf print on there, which is very kind of cool. So let's put one together. Okay, which one shall we do? Let's make this one here, okay? So what we need is one of these, and so these are just the cardstock, and then they are already scored, so you just score it and burnish the score mark. Let's actually just put this all away to the side. Okay, so you just burnish that right here. So I'm just using my score tool to burnish it. Okay, and then I always have liquid glue on hand, and you can also purchase that online too. And I'm just going to take this out of the bag, so it's ready to go. Okay, so we're going to do this one here. And so we folded our note card and we put that to the side, and then we've taken out our flower bouquet, very pretty, and then we also have the yellow banner that will go right here, and that will go on top like this, and then we need to get the sentiment stamped. So I like to leave my sentiments still on the card, and all you do is, I'm not going to open this one because I have a big pad, so I'm just going to use the big pad of the same Mossy Meadow. I'm just going to open that up, stick that there, and this one has "I'll always be here for you." Okay, so I am going to get that one out, which is right here, and all you do is you stick it onto your clear block as straight as possible, stamp it up, make sure you have it the right way. And I always like to test it, because when you get new ones, it doesn't always ink up correctly, and I just like to test it out. And then all I'm going to do is put it in my lines right here and just stamp. I'm going to do all of them because I like this sentiment, it's very cool. But you don't have to use what's in your box. If you have, say, a happy birthday one that you want to send, or something like that, you could do that. You could just change it up to how you want it. So that is done. I'm just going to wipe my stamping block. off. Okay, and let's put this together. So it looks like they've used some dimensionals, which is kind of cool. So let's do that. Let's put it over here again, back to the side. Okay, so we're going to use, I'm going to use my liquid glue on here, just because I have it out. But you can use the glue dots. I just prefer to use the liquid glue. I just think it just goes a lot better. I'm going to just place that there, and then I'm going to put some dimensionals on the back of this bouquet. So all you do is you just take it out and place the dots on the bouquet. Don't have to go too crazy, but I think that'll do. And then you just peel off the backing. And kind of just place this at an angle, I guess. Yep, there we go, perfect. And then I'm gonna get my sentiment. So I'm just gonna pop this out, like so. And again, you could use the dimensionals, which I think I will, because it's kind of cool having things popped up. I'm going to double up this dimensional right here, so I'm just going to put 2 on, just to, oh, I did it on the wrong side, hold on. Oh, let's got another one. Didn't do a very good job of that. Okay, and I'm going to stick another one on here on this side, like so. I'm just going to take those off and place it right there. Great. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to get my take your pick. And I am going to get my sequins. I'm just going to pull that off and stick some in here. You can do as many or as little as you want. On here it just shows 3, and there you go, your card's done. And if you want to as well, you can also put your sentiment inside. So there is a sentiment here that you could use, and it says, sharing in your sorrow, thinking of you and wishing I could be there to hold your hand. So this is a really great little sympathy card that we can give someone. So let's change that out. Let's put that on there. Let's ink that up. And then you can put that right in the middle. And then there are some little flowers. I'm just going to do that in also the the mossy green too. I'm just going to stick that there in the corner. Perfect. Alright. Let's wipe that down. And there you go. That's one of the paper pumpkin things, and you have the matching envelope that goes with it too. Get the right envelope. There you go. Just the perfect way, and these sentiments can always be, you can add your own sentiments that you have already. It's just a great way to make some cards that, you know, to put in your stockpile for, you know, this particular paper pumpkin patch is for sympathy, and I think it's they have some great words here on the card of the sentiments. This one has sorry for your loss, and so I think it's really really some great sentiments. I hope you enjoyed my first video. Thank you for joining me and watching this, and if you want to shop at my store or subscribe to the Paper Pumpkin Stampin' Up! Paper Pumpkin Club, please go to my website and join. And if you want to order anything that is under $75, please use my host code, because then we can get you a free gift. If it's over $150, please just order online. That'd be great, and you can get your order. Thanks again, and see you next time. Bye.